A good rainy season in Namibia transforms the scenery of the usually barren landscape. Daybreak at Ai-Aiba has the wind blowing through the tall grass near the lodge. Because it is situated against a rocky outcropping, the high elevation offers stunning views of the surrounding grassy fields and rock formations. Long before Europeans and the other tribes arrived, the Sun were calling this place their home. As hunter-gatherers, they followed the wild game, which in turn would follow good grazing. When the rains were good, the grass was tall, the animals fat, and the times were good. Signs of sun occupation are quite common in this part of the world, and some say that they have inhabited this area for more than 10,000 years. At Ai-Aiba, there is a living museum where you can chat to the Sun people still living in this area today. Up in the mountains, you can see the rock art that the Sun people are famous for. To get there, you would need to traverse some pretty rugged terrain. The guide knows the best way through the grass to the paintings and gets us there in no time. Nestled in areas where it is protected from the elements, and usually with a nice view, you can find the rock art of the Sun people. This art is a form of language that transcends time, where the elders told the next generation about good hunting, location of water, and more. Of course, you have to be living very close to nature to truly understand the symbolism. The grassy fields and rocky outcroppings stretch as far as the eye can see, and this landscape truly looks like a paradise, even though it only lasts for a few weeks. As the day wears on, the guide takes us to a special place from which to watch the sunset. When the sun is low in the sky, the colors of the landscape changes and becomes very attractive to photographers and videographers, which call this time the golden hour. No prizes for guessing where that name came from. At the sunset spot, the landscape is really amazing, and you can see the grass stretch out over the plains of Namibia. With low light pollution, the starry skies does make you wonder what life was like so many years ago in these grassy plains.